Hey guys, wanted to do a de-baffling on my stock 2014 C50 Boss, but being brand new, it's only a year old, I didn't want to do the original stock exhaust on it, so I went out and bought a C50 exhaust from, I think it was an '09. It was chrome. I have it here behind me. It's all painted up black with some high heat paint. So I'm just going to do 3 videos just to show the difference between stock, drilled rear plates, and full de-baffle. So I'll go ahead and make a short video here of the stock exhaust sound. So that's the sound of the stock exhaust on a 2014 C50. And that's from cold startup too, so it may or may not sound slightly different if you choose to do this project yourself. So I'm going to go ahead, mount up the new stock exhaust, drill the rear plates, and we'll do a sound clip of that and check out the difference. I'll see you then.